Jobbyo AI is a newly released software that promises to revolutionize your workflow. And today, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using it. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or AI enthusiast, stick around, because I'm going to give you the essential details that can help you decide if Jobbyo is worth your time. And by the way, you can try Jobbyo completely free from the first link in the description below. Now, Jobbyo AI is a powerful tool that combines simplicity with cutting-edge technology, but there's a lot to unpack. First up, the user interface. It's incredibly intuitive, which is a huge plus if you're someone who isn't a tech expert. You won't find yourself lost in a maze of settings or complicated workflows. Everything is straightforward, making it a perfect choice for beginners and seasoned pros alike. Next, one of Jobbyo's standout features is its content creation abilities. It's not just another content generator. Jobbyo AI helps you craft high-quality text, articles, and even social media posts. This is where Jobbyo really shines, especially if you're someone who needs to churn out content quickly and efficiently. Think of it as a tool that boosts your productivity without compromising quality. But here's something crucial. Jobbyo's AI doesn't just generate random content. It tailors its suggestions to match your brand voice and the type of content you want to produce. It's smart enough to understand context and adjust its output, which means you get personalized results without having to tweak everything yourself. Now, if you're using AI for business, you'll appreciate Jobbyo's analytics and reporting features. These tools give you deep insights into your content's performance and engagement. You'll be able to track how well your posts are doing, which content resonates with your audience, and where you might need to adjust your strategy. These insights are valuable for scaling your operations and optimizing your content marketing strategy. When it comes to integration, Jobbyo really stands out by being versatile. Whether you're managing a blog, a social media account, or an entire marketing campaign, Jobbyo can seamlessly connect with other platforms and tools you're already using. That means no extra hassle when trying to integrate it into your existing workflows. The support Jobbyo offers is also top-notch. They provide in-depth tutorials and responsive customer service that can help you get the most out of their software. No one wants to feel stranded when using a new tool, and Jobbyo has made sure that's not a problem. They're available to guide you every step of the way, which is a huge relief. Finally, one of the key things you need to know is that Jobbyo AI is constantly improving. They're rolling out updates, adding new features, and optimizing the software to ensure it remains competitive in an ever-evolving market. This is important because you're not just investing in a tool that's good now, you're investing in a platform that's going to get better and better over time. To wrap up, Jobbyo AI is a fresh and exciting addition to the AI space. It's powerful, easy to use, and packed with features that can help you streamline your content creation process and boost your business productivity. If you're curious to try it for yourself, remember that you can do so for free by clicking the link in the description. Before I go, don't forget, after testing thousands of AI software tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description below, all of which you can try for free. So, if you're looking for the best AI tools to boost your workflow, be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.